Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Prowise Magnesium Glycinate Complex. So it is basically a supplement capsule bottle that provides you with the sleep support, the muscle and bone health, and even the energy. So they have different servings like 90 tablets, which has a strength of 2000 mg. For the elemental magnesium, you can see like 400 mg is mentioned. So this is getting really popular. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, one of the major green signal of this product is that they have transparently mentioned the list of ingredients that are included in this formula. As you can see, the 1400 mg of magnesium glycinate and 300 mg of magnesium citrate and 150 mg of magnesium malate and 150 mg of magnesium taurate. So these are the basically ingredients that actually sums up these are really good magnesium complements. So as you can see, they have also provided them with a list of proper consume, like how to consume this product, and the formulas are also enlisted. So this is also a major green signal. And if you scroll a little bit up, you will come across some of the reviews from the people who have purchased this product, and it is actually based on 822 reviews. So the people who have actually given the 4.5 ratings out of 5 stars approximately. So this is a really decent rating, and this product is also verified with the silver transparency. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is very much authentic and legit. But now let's dive in. As you can see, like this product is also available in Amazon, so which is a major green signal, because the Amazon availability actually passes through a certain amount of checks and safety figures, and the ratings on Amazon is 4.4 out of 5 stars. It is based on 238 rating. So this is an excellent green signal, and also it is an Amazon choice, which means this is highly rated, well priced product available to ship immediately. And I also try to search for these products reviews on this judge.me website, where you can check the reviews of different product, and the reviews are approximately the same as of their official and the Amazon one. So the 4.5 out of 5 stars on the basis of 142 reviews, and people are actually very much happy and satisfied after consuming this product because it was really beneficial for their health. So in conclusion, I would say this product is really well legit and well trusted. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make reviews of as much products as I can. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.